guys, I wanted to show you what I received for my birthday this past weekend. I turned the big 50, so I'm excited. It's a new chapter of life, I guess, you know. But just real quick, I'm going to show you because right now my puppy is taking a nap. So anyway, here we go. So this gift that I received, my 4 kids and my husband pitched in. It is something that I've always wanted. Even before I started, I wanted wood carving knives. I started wood carving in May of 2020. I call it my COVID hobby because I've never done it before. So I started out with flex cut knives, and I won some OCC knives. Then I got some Helvy knives. So as far as knives go, I'm good to go. And I've always wanted to do relief carving and spoon carving and things like that. So I'm going to show you right now. And there you go. I received some Pfeil gouges and chisels. So I'm going to be opening them up. I've already opened them and touched them and everything like that, but I wanted to show you. These are 2 Arkansas stones, or is it Arkansas? Arkansas stones. One is a soft grit and one is a hard grit. So I'll be watching videos on how to use these. And then I have a mallet. Pretty heavy duty, so I can't wait to use that. I think Nomi approves, right? So I'm going to try to do this with one hand. I don't have a camera or anything. I just have my cell phone, and that's okay. So it comes in this handy-dandy tool carrier, and there they are. So it's a 12-piece Pfeils gouges and chisels. There's different measurements for different things. So I'll be learning how to I'll be learning to see which ones are for a specific job. Sometimes I can't talk right. Bear with me. So, and the tips come with some kind of, I'm guessing, beeswax or something to protect it in shipping. I'm guessing I peel this off. I started peeling it off just to see how hard it was, or what it was actually, and it's not very thick, but they come sharp. They're ready to go. I just have to wait for my husband to put together our workbench here. It's pretty heavy. He needs some help putting it on top of the base, but that'll be for another day. On each one, like I said earlier, there is a measurement on the I don't know what you call this. Is this the tine? I'll have to look. I should have did my research. But each one has a measurement and a measurement on the handle. I like these handles. It's very well made. I'm excited. I'm going to put this one back. Oh. Then, yep, so there's 12 altogether. There's bigger sets, but this is good to go. I don't need any more. Some people get gigantic sets and don't even use but a couple. But I think I will use all of these. We will see. So I'll be using these for spoon carving and relief carving and whatever I need to use them for. I think that's a skew and all kinds of I think this is neat. I'm so excited about these. It's a really good investment. So I wanted to thank my husband, Michael, and my 4 children, Travis, Lexi, Stephen, and Heather, for pitching in and buying this awesome gift for my 50th birthday. I will be doing videos on them. I still have to learn everything about them. I've watched so many videos, but I like to do it, I'm a hands-on person. So stay tuned for videos about these and maybe a product review, I don't know. So I hope everybody has a good week, and keep on making stuff.